Okay, tonight, folks, let me show you what I'm making for me and Daddy Rivers for dinner tonight. Check this out. Okay, this is corned beef hash. I got 2 cans I just opened up, and this was about almost $5, but there's more expensive ones over here. Look what I got ready to go. I got the fresh cut okra. This is fresh cut okra. And this is my flour, cornmeal, salt, and pepper mix. And then on the stove, I'm starting to boil my potatoes. And I'm starting to heat up with, this is just regular butter. And chopped onions and bell pepper. And of course I have my 2 main seasonings that I always use, the Slap Your Mama and the Zatarain's Creole seasoning. Alright, the next step is, you see this is already cooked down, and now see all I did was just put the can in there and just, there we go. And now, I'm going to add the second can. Look at that. See? Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, now we're going to start smashing this up. And we're going to get it evened out into the entire pan. And then we're going to start mixing it. So let me do that with 2 hands instead of holding this phone. I'll be right back. Okay, now pay attention to this part, because this is pretty important when you're working with corned beef hash. Okay? This is salt, regular salt. When you're cooking corned beef hash, don't add any salt. Corned beef hash already has an enormous amount of salt content to it. But anyways, okay, so you can see, yeah, and you could really ruin the meal with it being too salty. This is 2 red potatoes, and I've already boiled them, and now I'm adding that to the corned beef hash. And we're just going to stir it in once again. Man, isn't that looking good? Oh my God. This is going to be delicious. Okay, I'm getting ready to do the okra now. And this is kind of a trade secret. A lot of people might get upset at me for exposing the behind the scenes of fried okra. But anyways, look. Okra has almost like a natural slime to it. Okay, let me turn this around. This is why a lot of people don't like okra. Do you see how it's kind of slimy? This is just water, fresh okra. But look, do you see the slime? Do you see that? Okay, this is why you just take it and put it directly into your cornmeal mixture, yellow cornmeal mixture with flour, salt and pepper, okay? You don't need egg batter or anything on it, okay? Because that slime causes it to stick to it anyways. And then we come over here, and we just start gently just dropping it in the pan, like so. Isn't that neat? Man. Oh, and look over here. Yeah, that's our corned beef hash and potatoes coming out absolutely dynamite. So you want to be careful that you don't overcook your okra. You just want it to get golden brown, and depending upon, I'm using gas. And by the way, the best cooks, the professional cooks, always use a gas cooktop and an electric oven. But yeah, you don't want these to overcook, and I just keep them just slightly stirred this batch here. See, we're getting that golden brown color right there, and then I'll take them out and put them on a paper towels to drain out of the okra the oil. And I'm using canola oil for this. Okay, folks, I just took out the first batch, and you can see how they turn golden brown, and on the paper towels it's soaking up the oil. Man, and of course the corned beef hash over here is, this is going to be quite the meal. Okay, folks, here's the final product. There's our corned beef hash. There's the fried okra. There's some of the cabbage and sausage that I cooked up the other night, leftovers, and our salad there.
Okay, folks, let's eat.